Hi guys, I'm going to explain to you what I need you to do today. First of all, I need you to double check the list from yesterday that you signed up. It tells you what Congress you'll be meeting in. You'll be in Congress 1, 2, or 3, and it also tells you what region you will be representing within your Congress. So you are either in the Northeast, the Southeast, or in the West. Once you've checked the list, the next thing you need is your game card that goes with your region. So if you are representing the Northeast, it tells you on the front, Northeast. There's one obviously for the Southeast, and then there's one for the West. So you need to grab a game card for the region that you are representing. When you open up the game card, you will see that it tells you what the priorities of your region are. As you know, the Northeast and the Southeast, they had very different interests in the 1830s and 1840s. Regarding tariffs, regarding slavery, regarding westward expansion, internal improvements, all of these different issues were of varying levels of priority for each region. So I need you to take, probably about 5 minutes and carefully read your game card. The game card will also tell you, I'm going to cover up the point values, it'll tell you how to win the debate. It'll tell you which issues are most important to your region that you absolutely need to get your Congress to agree to. And you get points for everything you're able to persuade your fellow congressmen to do. So look at your game card, keep your score. Please don't write on these sheets. Write on a separate sheet of paper. As you guys argue and debate within your Congresses, you'll be determining how many points you get for each of these issues. What are the key issues that you're going to be debating? Well, you have this sheet. You'll get one per Congress. So you'll use this as your official record of what you agree to within your Congress. So Congress 1 will get 1, 2, and 3. Here are the issues. A protective tariff, should you have one. Internal improvements, whether or not you support the construction of roads and canals. Slavery, the U.S. Bank, the settlement of land in the West, and then Indian removal. These are 6 major issues that you will be debating within your Congress. And what do you favor? What's your policy? What's your preference? Well, you have to look at your game card and it will tell you what you should be arguing for. Okay, so you know what group you're in, you know what Congress you're in, you know what region you're representing. I want you to spend 5 minutes today, first off, meeting with other people from the other Congresses that represent the same region. So all of the people that are representing the Southeast, I want you to gather in a corner, talk about strategy. People from the Northeast, you guys all gather in a corner, talk about strategy. And all the people that are representing the West in Congress 1, 2, and 3, I want you to take a few minutes and gather and strategize. That's the first thing. It's going to take you about 5, 6, 7 minutes. Talk about what are your priorities, how are you going to do this. After you've strategized within your region, all 3 of the members of Congress, then you're going to go back to your original Congress. So Congress 1, you're going to need to gather about 8, 9 desks in one area of the room. Congress 2 probably in the far back by the American flag, and then Congress 3 maybe here by the window. You're going to gather as a Congress, and you're going to debate it. You're going to debate these 6 core issues. Each Congress needs to have one record keeper, keeping track of what you agree to. Every region gets 1 vote. So within a Congress, if you have 3 people representing the West, 2 people representing Northeast, and 2 people representing Southeast, it's not vote by person, it's vote by region. So you just need to get 2 regions to agree to something, and the measure passes. The measure passes if you get 2 regions to agree. Even if one region says, no, absolutely not, doesn't matter. As long as you get 2 groups within your Congress, 2 regions to agree to it, it passes, the measure passes. So the Secretary within the Congress needs to make a record of what's agreed to. When you are done, when you've debated all 6 of these and you've reached an agreement, I need you to add up your points within Congress 1, within Congress 2, and within Congress 3. Which region got the most points? And I need to know those names. Who was it, the West? Was it Northeast and Southeast? Whoever represented that region within the Congress that got the most points, I need their names so I can give them extra credit. All right. When you are all done with your debate and you've added up the points and you've determined who's won the debate and who has the most points, then I have one quick sheet for you to fill out. a map for you to color, and some questions to respond to. So, quickly, you can come in, confirm what Congress you are meeting in, what region you're representing, grab your game card, read your game card carefully, strategize with other people who are representing the same region for about 5 to 7 minutes, then meet as a Congress 1, 2, and 3, debate out the 6 issues, add up your points to determine who won the debate, write down who won the debate within your Congress, give that list to the sub, and then work on the question sheet and have that done by Wednesday. And I think you're set, hopefully. Thanks.